me with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with that.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
St. Mary with the party. Uncle Murphy walk one day now.
Morning time, party. More blessings every time.
Yeah.
Thanks and praise, you know?
Yeah, alright. So, Uncle Murphy there. So, Uncle Murphy going to make coffee. And then my coffee man, and we are going to fry 2 dumplings. Dad round a corner there. So, what that way are there? Talk to the people them say, yeah, Dad round a corner there. So, Dad a paint out. Yeah. Not really paint, him a prime. So, we are going to get some cup of tea. Shoe, now go there stuff right now. Shoe down at him house. Him and Marvin I do some work around this, but I not going to show it yet. I still telling us say, me I wait till a milestone. When him reach a milestone on the house, that time I go show it. So you might see him later when he come for him food, but Uncle Murphy, I don't know what that chicken. Uncle Murphy take out the grocery. Let them see what we're doing today. Yeah, pint of oil, yeah, country, pint of coconut oil.
And here is it.
A lunch, she lend with them, but them don't look so 100. No lunch, she give with them, but them don't think me.
Yeah, it's plantain.
Yeah, but me want just to see the plantain price here in a parry. Because $100 one, me buy plantain for in a country, chew me now. My one them no, shoe no give me none, shoe no none for give me no.
We have flour.
2 pounds of flour. Yes. Come on, Murph.
And we have 2 things.
Yeah, maybe me left one dent in a mackerel for sure. I'm not think we need, yeah. Yeah, no sense. We are going to fry dumpling. We have find baking soda. We have milk, we have make tea. And we have baking. $50 baking powder and 1 onion. We do want 1 more onion. But the shop lady never have no more. So and we have what is something we have? We have bird pepper.
Yeah, bird pepper, yes.
Uncle Murphy have coffee. So we are gonna make tea. Right. And then as we go along and start, we'll make a cup of tea warm with stomach. We've been here a long time too, but we are go through one look how we work, where workman do, and me I find me fault them and I look what is what for correct. And all of them something them there do. Right? Show down a film place, I deal with film thing in my Marvin. Right. So I not put no camera up and show yet. I think of this week, but next week before the milestone them reach, so when we see it, see?
Yes,
so we are yard in my place, and we are doing
it. That look fairly well.
Yeah, it don't look too bad. Everywhere at town I saw it still.
Yes, overcast.
Yeah. So me there in the kitchen, so that we are going with today. So we catch you back in the next big party. You the power me I do? You on it, Murph?
Yes, man, and the mark.
Okay.
Yes, Debbie is taking out the baking powder.
So we don't measure nothing, you know?
We don't measure.
I don't know, so we don't measure, and this is the but baking powder, then I know use, so you have to put good amount in there, but you don't have to put too much.
Get the dumpling raised a little.
Yeah, what is that?
Sit right here. Sit.
Okay, alright, no worries. May I sift out the flour? Your fried dumpling.
Yes.
Alright, a little salt to taste. Hey, please cool till the salt. You know,
hey, salt, keep
salt
up.
like it a ton water, jaja. We are up here cool. So, alright, party. You know, say a dumpling we are going to fry, you know, but them dumpling are not normal, you know. And they look cutie, you know. And I sent Mary fried dumpling. You know, we see that. Murphy, we never fried a dumpling from
Oh, first we're going to fry dumpling up here.
Alright, so on the ball.
Your party?
Yep.
Yes.
So we are gonna make flour. Then see me tired to see me make flour, Murphy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, tired to see me make flour. So next clip.
Next clip party.
2 eye, you know, man.
Draw
some my hood. These hood are smoking, fam. So Uncle Murphy, no man, Uncle Murphy, a dumpling we are fry. Uncle Murphy think I share we are roast, you know. Draw the hood them man, draw them, yes. Scatter them. Scatter them. Oh. Scatter them up, Murph. Yes, man. Yes, same sir boy. Yeah. Good, sir. Show all them, Murph. Remember we are country people, you know, we don't feel Anglo we sell. Atio. So we want him go pan it. We don't want him too rigorous underneath there, you know, because you know when the house then get rigorous, it can be very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
So par we isla hot. We are gonna make some one in the world fried dumpling here now. We are a bit late, but it's better to be late than never. So okay, now Pari, the first set of dumpling them in progress. So you find say I saw your affy. Dumpling start frying and all of that. See? You see them? You see
Yes, Pari, you see it? You see it?
Set of dumpling them and then the fire side I keep warm.
Yes. Saint Mary there.
Yes, sir. And
See the dumpling over I make?
Yes, sir. Yes, you're then golden, Uncle Murph?
Golden brown.
Yes, sir.
Not ramping at all.
No, sir. So we make them, Murph.
Yes, you see them?
Yeah.
Right. In the pot.
Sir.
See that?
Why?
Oh, it's
Oh, Jesus.
bubbling, my friend.
Done good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See them there, golden brown.
At you. But probably they never heard that way.
You never heard of us.
Yes, but they think we done, but we just have come. Yeah, man. Dumpling in a pot there. Good, sir.
Yes.
When then see we next, we are going to do a birth.
All right.
Cook up the mackerel. Man, and we are two plat there for fry. Them mouth go water today. Show them, Murphy. Show them the weather. And them kind of weather we eat fried dumpling in your do.
Yes, you see the weather?
Very bleaky.
Look up in the sky. Very bleaky, but
Good, sir.
yes, sky white.
Yep.
White. You can't see
Oh,
no
you
blue.
like them, Dad?
But
They look
yes.
You can soon start and
No.
Kind of cool away. Temperature cool. Yeah.
I will be a whole market gate with them here in America.
You see that?
can start supply supermarket with dumpling, man.
Yes.
Because we have to go buy fried dumpling and freeze it. Because the war.
Because of the war.
Oh,
Barry?
Jesus.
All right.
Yeah. No, sir. Uno tell me because uno tell me if you don't know what this. Let me try zoom up a little bit. Tell me if you don't know what that. Cause this look like some kind of. Janet, tell me. Uno tell me if you don't know what this. See one next one right here, so. It look like some form of vegetable. Eh? Yeah, I eat the sugar bloom. The sugar. All right, see it here now in bloom, Pari. See it now in I bloom. You see it? Yeah, yeah. Well, tell me, cause this look like some farmer, something they having some mixed vegetables sitting there for it. Yeah, see it right there in front of you. See it here? I don't know. It look like something me. Then we there, so we don't know they're sitting and then real. Pari. See there now. I'm going to show you. Uncle Murphy.
Yes.
Me done buy gas. Me I go look two bungalow the asshole.
2 bungalow house. Dear Barry.
Car down in the car back.
Yes.
Me pad up the car back.
Okay,
I this me I use at town. You see the dumpling and the fry plant, the Murph. Them out
So
of
them
water. Hey, they love the right plant, you see?
Tell you.
Yes, man, Uncle Murphy, the right here, so. You must sort out the onion. And we have little ray and all them little something.
Yes.
Yeah, we have fix up, you know, a country cooking.
Country cooking.
Yeah. That him round there, so he might do priming and, hey!
All of that.
Yeah, so. Watch this now, man. Me say me like it, so it look good.
It look nice,
Wait,
man.
and good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yes, Pari, so him mackerel kind of finish up. They only look dark round the pot there, so. Me tilt him the Murph. See him the Pari, yeah. And look work list down in a pot, yeah. Because that one in there have no look at tomato sauce. But we try with this. But we are all time, yeah, you know, so. Sometime coffee. Sometime tea, Murph. Sometime not all. And all of that. So look here. We are going to start out little fried dumpling. Oh no, comment and tell me you like the fried dumpling. And you say sweet planting, but we say ripe planting. We stay good in that and look at the rain. The rain are black up for start, you know. You can always fall now because we have food now, yeah. Remember, you know, no comment and tell me, you know, me want to carry down to Bangladesh with them. Next clip. At you. See them there, you know, Pari, then tan good. See them there. 3 of them. We have little condiments all in together, yes. So we in pan table here.
Yes.
Yes, so food there, see them there. Uncle Murphy as the champion eater. Dad, and shoe. See me over here, so me I go look. Me I eat one big dumpling and 2 pieces of plantain. So the other dumpling, if they want it, then take you out. Uncle Murphy, I can't feed me the bird pepper. This way, we look good here, Murphy.
Yes, man, it's
We
good.
stay good here. So, we are going to do some eating now, Parry, and we will catch you in the next clip. Show a long time, you see people yell them up.
Parry, yellow. I'm big up.
Yeah, they want to know what going on in the house. But yeah, tell him say, you know, tell him say, when time you did this summer, you assure them. Tell them say, me just take you out of the spotlight for now. Yeah. So, when them see me, the thing say, me know say I told already this week or this weekend or the next week. So, when they see you next week, them are going to surprise to see how far you reach. You know? Yeah, so, them know say you're still there, everything still good. And your face look better to the car, everything, you know. Yeah, so everything good and everything alright. Yeah. Up to today, me tell them, say, yeah, Marvin it down there, don't come. But I never put the camera. But I just want to see you reach a certain milestone before I put it on it. Uncle Murphy, make them know what I go on. What you go on with over there, so what you sit down and do?
I want a 5.
Uncle Murphy, I will have 5. Yeah, with that time, I dark up Parry, you know, see it? Yeah, out I do a dark up. So we there, so sit down. Yeah. We take time bleak, so we there. So everything alright with shoe man, everything good. Yeah, we are work on shooting. Shoe and movements are going on shoe. Whole heap of movements are the first so much movements ever I make. In a one little speed at time, you know, so. Yeah, so hopefully by next week, then time you God's willing. Yeah, man, with the panic. You can see, say, where you're there, what is what, and we are continue move on. So blessings and love and thanks, Parry, for everything. Show a move, man, show a move, show good. Yeah, man, show a move, yeah, by faith, you know. So, you accumulate them, see, we accumulate up the plyboard them, and we get up all day, the rest of something them. But me personally just choose for this till when, you know, that the people them can see say movements are made. Because every time you come out when one look something do this and you put the camera, it come like nothing and go on. So you just give it some time, and when something go on big, you just, I saw them something are going on, but some people don't understand, and some understand, but them just want to just say something still, you know. But I know most of the people in the DDT training, I know how things go. No, we are left it. No, I'm not left it out there, so I lock it up. Yeah, I lock up my ladder. No, you carry it back home? Alright. So, Parry, I eat this for the day, you know, for today. We are take time, cut out our place, you know. So, thanks for watching. This is just a little, you know. Thanks for watching, yeah. Because in the evening, I get down, chill and all of them look something there and so. So, Parry, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. We don't eat long time and that day I do some priming out, you know. Prime out the wall, me wall them and so on. Yeah, so that's how it goes. So, we see you again with another live or with another video. Alright, show so. Can't tell them bye.
Yeah, bye. Till next time again.
Yeah.
Pick up yourself, Parry.
Yeah.
Care of yourself. Blessings.
Alright, Uncle Murphy him dance back.